Samvardhana Motherson, Q4 FY26. Profit increased to Rs 1,561.56 crore in Q4 FY26, compared to Rs 1,023 crore in Q3 FY26, registering an outstanding 52.6% quarter-on-quarter surge in sequential bottom-line execution. Revenue rose to Rs 34,309.31 crore in Q4 FY26, compared to Rs 31,409 crore in Q3 FY26, marking a robust 9.2% increase quarter-on-quarter, driven by the execution of a healthy global order book and strong automotive production volumes across emerging markets. EBITDA jumped to Rs 3,790.79 crore in Q4 FY26, compared to Rs 3,043 crore in Q3 FY26, reflecting a powerful sequential expansion of 24.6% supported by integration efficiencies and volume execution. EBITDA margin expanded to 11.05% in Q4 FY26, gaining noticeable ground over the 9.69% recorded in Q3 FY26, indicating strong operational leverage, successful cost containment programs, and localized commodity cost pass-through structural setups. Key takeaway: Samvardhana Motherson wrapped up FY26 on its highest-ever quarterly and annual performance note, with full-year revenue scaling past Rupee 126,104 crore. Top-line and operational growth was strongly reinforced by emerging market resilience, organic product diversification, and structural consolidation of international assets, including Yutaka Jaikin and Atsumitek. Backed by robust global business books and a manageable net leverage ratio of 1.1x, the company has pegged its FY27 capital expenditure target at 6,000 crore while reinforcing shareholder rewards with a proposed final dividend of Rupee 0.25 per equity share.